In this video, I will show you how to create a project in Asana. So first go ahead and open the Asana website. Then in the left right here, you can see your projects. So under this are all the projects that you currently have. And if you want to create a new one, all you need to do is click on plus right here and click on new project. And then you get a few options. You can choose a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. So let's say you want to use a template, click on that. Then choose your template. So let's say you want to do a meeting agenda, click on that, and then click on use template. Then here, give it a name. So I will keep it like this. Then you can choose the privacy, so public to my workspace or private to project members. I'll keep it like this as well. And then click on create project. Now as you can see, your project is being created. And now it's right here. So you have your projects here, and then here you have the one that you just created. So here you can customize it, you can change anything you want, and you can basically do anything you want right now with this project. So that's how you can create a project in Asana.